Let's make some marshmallow bunnies. Prepare the moulds by spraying oil in the mould. Using paper towel, remove excess oil. To make marshmallows, you'll need 1 tablespoon of powdered gelatin, half a cup of cool water, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of light corn syrup or honey, 2 teaspoons of vanillin sugar or vanilla essence, a few drops of flavouring of choice. I used mango. Place gelatin powder in a heat-proof stand mixer bowl. Add half a cup of cooled water and whisk by hand. Let bloom for 2 minutes. In a high-sided saucepan on low heat, place the sugar. Now add the corn syrup or honey. Add 3 tablespoons of water to the saucepan. Mix. Once the sugar mix reaches 115 degrees Celsius or 240 degrees Fahrenheit, remove from heat. Add vanillin sugar or vanilla essence to the hot sugar and stir. Working quickly, add hot sugar mix to the bloomed gelatin. Whisk on high speed until thick and shiny. Put half the mixture in a piping bag. Add your choice of flavouring to the leftover marshmallow and whisk. Snip the tip of your piping bag and fill your moulds. Once filled, smooth excess. Fill second piping bag with flavoured marshmallow. Snip the tip of the piping bag and fill remaining moulds. Place filled marshmallow moulds in an airtight container at room temperature for a minimum of 4 hours. After 4 hours, remove from the container. Sprinkle corn flour over the base of the mould. Press the sides of the marshmallow to remove. Turn upside down and pop the marshmallow out and cover with corn flour. Lightly sift the excess corn flour off the marshmallow. Repeat for all marshmallows. Decorate how you'd like. Subscribe and comment below what flavouring you would use.